So here we are on my Twitter profile. So how do you create the perfect Twitter bio? Now, that's what this video is all about. Now, first up, I know Twitter has been rebranded to now X, but throughout this video, I am still going to refer to it as Twitter. I still can't get my head around calling it X. And I'm showing it to you on my desktop computer only because it's going to be a bigger screen and it will be easier for all of us to see. That's fully well knowing 99% or more of all Twitter action is on a mobile device though. So tip number one is all about setting up correctly your profile name and your username. Okay, they are different and they are confusing. So when you log on and set up your Twitter account, you will get a profile name, and you can see here I've gone with Mark Warnken. Now, multiple people around the world, dozens, hundreds, thousands of people can have the same profile name. But it's the username that you're wanting to make unique, because only one person in the whole world, or one individual or one business, can have a unique username. So I was lucky to get both of mine, profile name and then username. The difference between the username it comes with that @ symbol. Now, you need to be a little bit strategic with that, because your username or your handle can only have 15 character spaces max. So for most of you, it'll probably be both the same if they're available. But if you're a business and a brand, you might have to get a little bit creative. So it'll be your business name, or you might then have to have something a little bit creative around it. But try and get it relating as close as possible, reflecting you, your business or brand. Now, it sounds obvious, but sometimes people don't sort of get this simple thing right, and they're setting up their Twitter experience, for them to be anonymous or hard to find, or even a bit cryptic, but not doing this simple thing correctly. Which moves us now onto the second tip, which is all of the, I suppose, character details here in your bio section where the copy is written. Now, once again, you are limited with the amount of character spaces here, 106 character spaces. So you want to be short, sharp, and straight to the point. Twitter's a place to have fun as well. So maybe be a little light-hearted, and enjoy, being more creative. But some of the elements that you're wanting to include, maybe things like your job title. You're wanting to add keywords that'll reflect you and your business or brand, or what people might be searching you for. Maybe in this area again, where you only get the 106 character spaces, you want to be listing what you're best known for. Maybe add a benefit statement, add some emojis, as you can see here, like I have done. And I've equally got a call to action. Check out my YouTube channel, and I've got the arrow there. So get a little bit creative with it. The good thing about Twitter is that you can quickly and easily change it by just clicking on the edit button, and it might change it. You may well change it going through the seasons throughout the year, or if you're launching a new product or doing something different in your life. But remembering, you only get 160 character spaces, and the spaces between, the letters count as well. So get creative, put your thinking cap on, and make sure it really stands out. Which moves me on to tip number 3 I want you to focus on. Get an eye-catching profile image of yourself, preferably. But if if it's a business brand, maybe your business logo as well. And add here a cover image as well. Now, most people as individuals on Twitter aren't necessarily going to go to too much effort here with the cover image. They will probably have their own image here. But if you're a business or brand in any way, shape or form, take advantage of having a customized banner image or cover image with a call to action or some keywords, that type of thing. Try not and copy exactly what you have down here in the bio. I suppose I've doubled up a little bit. I'm the guy that makes social media for business owners easy, making social media for business owners easy. But whenever anyone lands on my Twitter profile, or in fact any of my social media platforms, the idea for me is I leave them in no doubt about who I am, what I do, and how I help. Now, the fourth element to creating a perfect Twitter bio is adding a link. That's right. Twitter do give you the option to add a link here right up the top of your bio section. Now, for a lot of you, it will be your website, but probably increasingly these days, it will be your social media sites, or maybe one of your social media sites. For me, it's been my YouTube channel. That's been very strategically done, and it's got a long way to actually, helping grow my YouTube channel quite a bit over the last few years. So add a clickable link, your website, it might be a landing page, it might be a special offer, it might be one of your social media platforms, but make sure you take advantage of that as well. Now, also I want to explain to you is you want to pin a post right to the top of here, your Twitter profile. So while suppose technically it doesn't form part of your Twitter bio, when someone does land on your Twitter profile, or whether it be on mobile, you know, it will be on mobile most of the time, but even here on desktop, they're going to scroll straight away. And this is where you get to take advantage of pinning a post, you know, your current offer, your website, a promotion, call to action, a social media site, you know, a special offer, that type of thing. Once again, I've got a call to action saying, hey, don't forget to check out my YouTube channel for hundreds of social media for business videos as well. So pin a post to the top that will complement everything else that you have here at the top of your Twitter bio. So there we go, some very simple tips on how to create a perfect Twitter bio that's going to be eye-catching and hopefully stop the scroll if someone does land on your Twitter profile. Don't forget to follow me here on Twitter because I do post all of my social media for business videos that I mentioned previously before. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Equally, you might also be watching it on some of my other socials. You know the drill. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, leave me a comment, let me know where you're tuning in from around the world.